And Pakistan's lies once again nailed completely by the doctors who've just given us details of the post-mortem report that was conducted in Amritsar. This is what the doctors said. The motive was clearly to kill the person, refuting the scuffle theory.
I'm joined by Dr. Gurmanjeet Rai, who headed the team that conducted the second autopsy in Patti Hospital late last night. So, what do your findings point to?
There are multiple fractures of the skull bones, mandible, ribs, sternum, etc.
And
apart from other injuries also.
And what kind of injuries were there on the skull, sir?
They were in the form of fractures.
And could you predict, sir? Could you find out what kind of weapon must have been used?
Heavy blunt weapon. Heavy blunt weapon might have been used.
And can one assume the purpose of inflicting those injuries, sir?
It is with the purpose of killing the person.
And could it be just two people who attacked Sarabjit, or could there be more?
More than two might be there.
And sir, what are the documents that came along with the body?
It was just death certificate, one-page death certificate by the Jinnah Hospital.
And normally, sir, what are the records? I mean, generally, which are sent along with the bodies?
It's a complete bed ticket containing all the investigation reports, X-ray reports, CT scan reports, MRI scan reports, all other investigation lab tests, and bed ticket notes as a part of the treatment.
Some organs from the body were not present when you opened the body. What are those organs, sir? And what could be the purpose of taking them out?
It's a routine standard procedure for autopsy that these organs are removed for sending to the histopathology as well as chemical analysis. So stomach, gallbladder, liver, kidneys, and one more heart was not there in the body. This is a routine procedure that in this case we send these with various tests.
And in the absence of these organs, would you be able to conclusively establish
Yes, we'll try our best. We'll try.
And what could be the purpose of not sending the entire documentation? Could it be the kind of subterfuge your investigation?
It might be because of the hurry by the government of India that the body was shifted immediately after the death of the person. They might have not have sent this our position.
So this is the head of the team that conducted the autopsy on Sarabjit Singh, clearly saying that the injuries were inflicted with the heavy blunt weapons with an intention to kill, and it could actually be more than two people. So clearly belying the claim of the Pakistan Foreign Office, which mentioned that Sarabjit had died during a scuffle. In Amritsar, Shamsher Khan for Times Now.